This graphic illustrates the SMT production area using equipment and solutions from Richardson. It's a total solution which adapts to every need in PCB manufacturing. We have 4 areas, and they're connected and communicate in a closed-loop network. The SMT line is the heart of SMT production, where the boards will be built and handled by the premium machines from top brands such as Yamaha, Hella, and NewTek. The offline PC and server is the brain of SMT production, where not only the programs will be created, but also the data from the machines will be stored and displayed with full traceability down to PCB and component level. The offline setup area is the resource for SMT production, where all the components and reels will be stored and prepared using the smart hardware and software from Scienscope and Yamaha. The repair area is the backup for SMT production, where all the NG boards will be repaired and touched up. Regardless of whether it is a standard chip or a BGA, our equipment can handle them all. The SMT line is where the circuit board will be built. Here are the main processes. The bare PCB will go through the printer first, where the solder paste will be deposited onto the PCB. The quality of the solder paste deposit will be inspected by the solder paste inspection machine to ensure there are no issues such as bridging or missing solder. If it passes the solder paste inspection, the PCB will be transferred to the mounters, where the SMD component will be picked and placed on the PCB. Once mounting is finished, the board will go through the reflow oven. Inside the oven, the solder paste will be cooked and melted under the high temperature of up to 260 degrees. After this, all the components will be soldered. Lastly, the board will be inspected by the automated optical inspection machine to ensure the components were placed correctly. Throughout the entire workflow, NewTek board handling systems deliver smooth, traceable and reliable movement of PCBs between each machine, ensuring optimal cycle time and production flow. NewTek equipment, such as loaders, unloaders, buffers and conveyors, ensure that your PCB will be handled and transferred by the most premium and reliable equipment. As this is a complex process, we must use the top premium equipment from world-class leading brands such as Yamaha, Hella and NewTek to deliver the highest quality. The accuracy of the Yamaha YRP10 printer is 16 microns, or 0.016 millimeters, and that of the Yamaha mounter is 25 microns, or 0.025 millimeters. Additionally, these machines are the fastest in their category, with a super high speed core cycle time of 6 seconds for the printer and 115,000 chips per hour for the mounter. Last but not least, the SPI and AOI are the best in class with high resolution cameras down to a 5 micrometer resolution lens and the ability to combine 2D and 3D images for the best result. Furthermore, we have options to make all the Yamaha, Hella and NewTek equipment fully automated. You won't have to adjust the width or change the program manually. Everything can be controlled and adjusted automatically from the first to the last machine. You will be able to build an Industry 4.0 smart and automated factory with us. The offline PC and server is where the program will be created and the database will be handled. Thanks to Yamaha's YSUP intelligent factory software, the program for the first machine, the printer, to the last machine, the AOI, can be easily created and fine-tuned. These softwares are easy to use and highly efficient. Yamaha YSUP can handle everything from programming and scheduling, production assistance, monitoring and analysis, traceability, maintenance, and machine to machine. The best part is, they're all connected and communicate with the machine to streamline your operation. The offline setup area is where all the SMD reels, sticks, trays will be stored and prepared in advance using the smart hardware and software from Yamaha and Scienscope. This will help transform changeovers from a bottleneck to a competitive advantage. Whether you're setting up for a new product or just simply replenishing a reel, these smart solutions will significantly reduce the downtime and increase the running time. The idea is to set up for the next product while you're running the current product. So when the changeover comes, we just need to change the program and swap the feeder cards, which were prepared and verified. On top of that, the pick and place machine can communicate with the smart rack to notify if there are any reels running low. The smart rack will light up, and you just need to pick up that reel to prepare for replenishment. The secret behind it is that they can communicate with the SMT line and the offline PC and server to prepare everything in advance, minimize downtime, and maximize flexibility. The result is faster changeovers, fewer errors, and a production line that adapts smoothly to today's demand for high mix, high efficiency manufacturing. In the repair area, if there are any issues when building the board, we can repair it here. The data of the NG board can be accessed from here, as this area is connected to the same network as the SMT line and the offline PC and server. It can provide 2D and 3D images of the defect, so you can determine the repair. Our rework station can handle any type of component, from a standard chip to an IC or BGA. It can generate a temperature profile when you solder or desolder a component. After repairing, the BGA can be inspected using a high-quality X-ray machine with a sharp and accurate X-ray image. Read more on our website.